VSA software can be used with many different instruments, including spectrum analyzers, oscilloscopes, logic analyzers, and a few others. Typically, the instruments are configured in I/O Library's Connection Expert, and then the VSA software can find whatever instruments are configured in I/O Library's Connection Expert. In the case of logic analyzers, a different utility is used to configure the instrument. When you would like to communicate to a logic analyzer with the VSA software, the way to configure the logic analyzer is to go under Start, All Programs, find your Keysight VSA software folder, and in that folder you'll find another folder called Hardware Utilities. Under that you'll find a folder for the logic analyzer, and under that you'll find the utility called VSA I/O Connections. Go ahead and click on that. That will bring up this little utility. If the connection is over a LAN, which it should be, because one of the requirements for the logic analyzer is that the firmware for the logic analyzer and the VSA software must be on the same computer. So the logic analyzer will always be configured as localhost. So go ahead and click on LAN. We'll tell it Add Instrument. In this case, we're going to choose. The instrument is going to be a logic analyzer. Now, I don't have a live instrument connected, so I'll get a red X when we tell it OK. We want to come in under the host name. As I said, we want to call it localhost. This is the only address that will work with logic analyzers. Go ahead and test the connection. In my case, because I don't have a live instrument, it did tell me there was a failure. If I had a live instrument connected, you would see a green check mark. It would have found the instrument. You can then tell it OK. Would verify the connection, and again, in this case, it's telling me it's not installed, which we already know. And here, under the LAN label, you would see the Keysight Logic Analyzer with a green check mark showing that it found the logic analyzer. From here, you can go ahead in the VSA software, go ahead under Utilities, Hardware, and if you bring up the configurations, you will find the logic analyzer ready to use.